just got an air fryer for the first time, so we're making crack bread. Here's what you need: a sourdough loaf, any garlic spread. This specific butter is life, mozzarella. You can use parsley, but I prefer basil, and goat cheese. Now make little slits throughout your bread. Bread is cut and ready to be filled. Get a saucepan, put on medium heat, and melt your butter. Add in 2 tablespoons of garlic spread. Toss in your basil, salt and pepper to taste. Pour the butter mixture into the slits. I'm filling a few of the slots with my favorite goat cheese. Feel free to use any cheese you want to top it off. In she goes. I'm actually taking it out at 4 minutes to see how it's doing. Oh my god. Do you guys see this? This is the best thing I've ever put in my mouth.
You'll find the complete recipe in the description. Just tap the 3 dots. Thanks for watching.